gave you attention when nobody else was paying. What's up, my good sis? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And my makeup is so light, it don't even really look like I have on makeup. And I don't think I like that look for me. Anyways, we are doing a wig review for the company Hairspells. Hey girl, what's up? What's Gucci? And in their bag, it comes with a card with their socials on it, and then some lashes. Maybe I should put those on because I look bland in the face, you know? So I'm gonna throw that to the side, and I like when it comes in these extra little baggies. Get out, thanks. And we got us a wavy curly kind of unit. She's like a loose, ooh, she's thick. What is this? This is like a loose wave moment, and she is 14 inches. So she's a Brazilian hair, 14 inches. She is a 360-degree lace wig, and in my opinion, with this outfit, this makeup look, and this inch and wave curl texture, I think this will be cute in like a high bun. So I think that's what I kind of want to do. I want to try her. No, actually, let me show you the inside of the cap first. So this is the inside of the cap. In the back, we got the comb, adjustable strap comb. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. There's a lot of parting space on her. I'm gonna guess that that's 13 by 6 lace, just because I can like kind of eyeball it, and if I'm wrong, I'll correct myself. But that's what she's looking like. It's a lot of lace in there, a lot of lace. The knots are not bleached. This is how she looks. I'm not gonna lie, this will actually kind of be cute with like one of these kind of moments. Nah, I don't think I like that. We pop out at your party. I'm thinking the hairline on her looks pretty good, so I'm thinking I want to do we want to do a bun? Guess she was in the packaging. But now that I'm looking at it, like maybe this could be a thing. Okay, so I did wet her just a little bit, and I am going to do a little something to the sides like this. Ooh, that's cute. So this is a loose textured wig, and let's see what she's looking like with this. This length and this actual texture is very cute, real feminine, real simple, nothing like, just a thought. So this is how she's looking now. I do want to wet her down just a little bit more so you can see the real texture of her. But like, this is cute. I tried to keep these curls in her just as much as I could, but I do think I need to spray her down just a little bit more. Not even gonna lie, I like it better way. I didn't think I was going to. That's why I was trying to like not wet it down. But this is cute. It's a loose texture. I knew it was gonna be loose though, but it's just real natural, real life natural tease. You feel me, sissy? I got her all wet down just how I like it, and I'm not gonna lie, I really do like this style. This style is really cute on me. I feel like she suits me. Like, this just seems like, you know, me. I could probably fool somebody into thinking that this shit is my hair. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on sis is going to be in the description. I always want to say comment section, like, no sis, not the comment section. In the description box down below. You know, and if you do pick this wig up, please let them know that Kiamani sent you. And until next time, I'll see ya.